Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I wanted to go into business. When I wanted to go into business, I decided to purchase a business book that will look at all aspects of business. I didn't know what to get, so I came across Steven Silbiger, A Step-by-Step Guide to Mastering the Skills Taught in Top Business Schools. It's the two-day MBA. Shares here. Learn how to read and understand financial statements, develop effective and comprehensive marketing plans, understand accounting rules and methods, manage your relationship with your boss, implement and evaluate corporate strategy, understand investment appraisal techniques, use quantitative techniques to evaluate products, obtain information on your competitors, recommend valuable operational improvements, and master the most commonly used MBA theories and jargon. That's it.